Thanks for stopping by.
What project are we working on today?
The toilet seats. We're gonna put in it.
So we're going to put in a new toilet seat. This is a, what's different about this toilet seat, Ola, do you know? That's right, it's a slow close toilet seat. So this toilet seat will not do that horrifying slam. Hi, Maple. Okay, well, come on in. What I need you guys to do first is go ahead and open the packaging on that new toilet seat. And while they work on that, over here we have the toilet cleaned up so that our work environment is a little bit better. And now we're going to remove the old toilet seat. I'll link in the description to this exact toilet seat. It has really good reviews. This is made in the USA even, so it should be a pretty good product. Link down below. So here on the back of the toilet, so right on the back here, there's these little covers, and they snap open to reveal the screw underneath. And then there's a little tab on the bottom, or a little nut right here on the bottom, and you can loosen this. But actually, see, this tab pushes up against the porcelain, so we're going to turn this from the top. All right, Oli's got his drill. This is going to make our job a little bit easier. You could just use a regular old flat screwdriver. All right, we need the biggest flat screwdriver you have, so let's use this one right here. Okay, let's pull this one out. Grab your drill. And we'll get that attached in there. Okay. All right, go ahead. So I'm holding the nut underneath this, and you can go a little faster. All right, there we go. That came off, so we'll do the same thing on the other side, and we'll be ready. All right, go ahead and remove the toilet seat now. Go ahead and lift it up, you guys. Lift it straight up. Okay, lift it up. There you go. Okay, now carry it over by the door, okay? And set it on the floor, okay? Oli, help her so that she doesn't drop it.
Oh my God.
Good job, you guys.
Drop it.
Okay, just set it on the floor.
Okay, how far out are you coming?
So we flip these caps open here on the back of this seat, just like that. And now we're ready to insert our bolts. All right, we have the toilet seat flipped over now, and you take these bolts and push them in from the bottom, and they'll click in place. Like that.
Can I pull on it?
Yeah, go ahead.
I want to put these in.
There we go.
These in.
Now we'll turn it back over and close them. Maple, you can close this one. Oh, you can close this one. Keep closing, Maple. Good job. All right, go ahead and set it in place, you guys. Good job. We're going to just tip these up and drop those through. Okay, just let it be. Okay, it's going to go down slow. All right. And now we're going to take these and put them on finger tight. And we leave this larger flat surface on the up side. So Oli, put this on like that. And underneath here, like this. You can help turn this one, Maple. Can you help turn that one down there?
Yeah.
So now down here, the way they have this nut design, you can twist on this bottom one here, and once it reaches the right tension, it will just snap off. I'm actually just gonna leave that on there for now, but the main goal here is to not over tighten them. You want it to just be snug enough to hold the lid in place where you want it to be, but not any more than that. So make sure that it is nice and centered and sturdy in place. But that's pretty much all that it takes for replacing the seat.
Hey, Dad!
What?
I was helping Mom do a chore.
Oh, okay. Go ahead and open the toilet seat,
Let it go.
and then let it close. Is it gonna close fast? Let it go. Ooh. Is that cool, Maple?
Yeah.
Alright, well, you want to try it? You can try it with both of them, Oli. Open both of them, yep. All the way up. Open them all the way. Open it all the way. Okay.
Mom, come see this part.
Okay. Whoa. Maple, can you tell me how the new toilet seat works?
All right, there's that little piece of plastic. Do you guys want to peel that off of there? Let Maple help. Let Maple help. Maybe you need to open it a little bit. There you go.
We got it.
All right, you guys. Good job.
That little bit of letters.
You should have seen Maple flinch earlier when I told her to let it go. She was like waiting for it to go bang.
I know, she just came and explained it to me. How does it work, Maple? That works too.
I
Yeah.
took off my shirt.
So can anybody slam the toilet lid down?
So no more slamming the toilet lid. Anyway, you guys say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Thumbs up!
That's right. And yeah, we'll talk to you in the next video. Thanks for hanging out with us here on our Saturday as we do some family projects together. Talk to you later.
Dad,
What?
can I watch after this?
Yeah, maybe. All right.
Can I watch after this?
All right, say bye.